Well, Easy Club is asking Webflow, Webstudio for long-term run, mate. It's whether you.
Webflow.
I mean, yeah. If speaking of wall gardens, if you like everything taken care of, then absolutely Webflow. But Webstudio, if you like everything modular and separate, I think if that works for you.
Yeah, if you want to play Webstudio, if you want to just do it as a hobby or like learn a little bit Webstudio or anything else or vibe code stuff. But if you are looking for something reliable for clients that you can extend and they can manage and they have like seeds, editors, I don't know, so much, like there's so much going into websites, then you need a proper platform. And Webflow is really the way to go because they are just crushing it at that. They are just a mature platform that you can rely on.
I think Webstudio need to lean into them being a no-code web app builder. Do you know what I mean? Like
Lovable?
Like Lovable, but you own the code. Like it creates the code that you
so
know?
Like open source Lovable.
Yeah, I don't know whether there's another one like it on that you can download, that you can actually download and host elsewhere. I don't know whether there's another. I'm not thinking off the top of my head, but
like theoretically, you could do that with Cursor.
Yeah, like but you haven't got a no-code drag and drop builder.
Yeah, true.
So anyway,
this is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.